my goodness. We're vlogging kanina, pero it's not recording. My goodness, there's a lot of things we said, talking, topics we discussed, but yeah, here we go again, starting. Just updating you guys. We're on the way to Seymour or Bayan, basta we finished attending mass, and yeah, we're blessed now. So,
Tapo mo lang.
hey, come on. Taas yan. So yeah, we're going now. It's just that it's too hot. Oh my god, so crowded here. But it's okay. Look what's here. It's joining with the vlog. It's my... Yeah. So guys, here they are.